José Caicedo.
My name is Jose Curico.
My name is Johan Danilo Uran.
My name is Michael.
Dayfon Ayala. My name is Pedro Alejandro.
My name is Ingrid Forero and Mateo Chirech.
And we're going to speak about the system theory.
Everyone has an organization, an open and closed system.
A closed system suffers from an entropy. The entropy is their organizational bankruptcy.
The system has a homeostasis. Homeostasis is the adaptation of the organization for the environment.
Get the organization ticket process and when having this is a generate feedback. The importance of the theory all get high the important environment of the system.
I love my organization according to my certainty affect this why my tactic process modification.
Suave.
Contingency theory. She has the only way to solve problems.
C. The outfit, and inside and one C.
When we look at the organization entirely, we watch the behavior and the structure.
When we look the outside the organization, we look the space side. Atmosphere at general of environment, the way we look the technology look, and my situation is problem in my pest, economic, social, technology, and legal environmental public side. When we have the technology, we generate knowledge.
We analyze the diagnosis, we plan our improvement. The plans are divided into three functional, strategic, operational.
And the cases are definitive plan for strategy, tactic, cost development plans, transversality my operation.
Ludwig von Bertalanffy.
Born to 19 September 1901 in Vienna, Austria.
His death in Buffalo, United States at January 12 of 1972.
Nationality Austrian born.
Career biology and his specialization as a system theory and philosophy. Men.
A most excellent theory was system.
John Woodward.
Born to 27 September of 1916. He is dead in 1971.
Nationality British.
Occupation professor.
A most excellent theoretical system.
Companies have embraced the discipline of organizational behavior because the area of study can help them better understand employees in a work environment. Organizational behavior can be used to assess, manage, and predict behavior of employees so that companies can better understand how to motivate individuals. There are situational factors that can affect the study of organizational behavior and its prediction of the behavior of employees. The contingency theory explains that there are specific situational factors which can affect the direct relationships between independent and dependent variables in the study of organizational behavior. Independent variables, or X, are the cause of the change in the dependent variable, while dependent variables, Y, are a response affected by an independent variable. There is no one best way to structure a corporation and solve employee problems. It all depends on the situation. Cheapo Toys has been trying to perfect their organization by studying different variables that affect employees. Companies need to use trial and error to see what variables provide the results needed. Motivation and leadership are just two examples of many independent variables of the contingency theory, while productivity, turnover, and absenteeism are some examples of dependent variables. Let's take a look at a real corporate example of how the contingency theory is significant to organizational behavior. Dependent variables are affected by independent variables. Cheapo Toys wants to know what can affect worker productivity, turnover, absenteeism, and job satisfaction. The company would like to find ways to make workers increase their daily production rate of toys. Managers at the toy company also would like to decrease turnover or workers quitting or leaving for other positions. Lastly, many workers are constantly absent due to calling out